Welcome all. Let's see how to find the cube root of non-perfect cube numbers in this video. Similar to the previous video of finding the square root of non-perfect square root, we will follow 3 steps to find the cube root of non-perfect cube root. In the first step, we will write the perfect cube number near to the given number and write its relationship with the given number. In the second step, we will find the cube root of this perfect cube number. In the third step, we will divide the number here by the square of the cube root of the perfect cube number here and multiply it by 3. Now let's find the cube root of 15. The perfect cube number near to 15 is 8. So 8 plus 7 becomes 15. In the second step, we have to find the cube root of the perfect cube number here. So the cube root of the perfect cube number here is 2. That is, cube root of 8 is 2 plus 7 divided by the number here. That is, cube root of the perfect cube number square into 3. It will be 2 plus 7 divided by 4 into 3. So it is 2 plus 7 divided by 12. When we divide 7 by 12, it becomes 0.5. So cube root of 15 is 2 plus 0.5, which is 2.5. Let's find the cube root of this number 23. For this, we have to know the perfect cube number which is near to 23. The perfect cube number which is near to 23 is 27. So 27 minus 4 will be 23. In the second step, we will find the cube root of the perfect cube number here, which is 3. In the third step, we will divide the number here by cube root of the number square into 3. So it will be 3 minus 4 divided by 9 into 3, which will be 3 minus 4 divided by 27. When we divide 4 by 27, it becomes 0.14. So it is 3 minus 0.14. So it will be 2.8. So the cube root of 23 is 2.8. Now let's find the cube root of 31. So the perfect cube number which is near to 31 is 27. So 27 plus 4 will be 31. Similar to the previous problem, the cube root of 27 will be 3 plus 4 divided by the square of the perfect cube number into 3 will be 3 plus 4 divided by 9 into 3. It will be 3 plus 0.14. So the cube root of 31 will be 3.14. Now let's find the cube root of 45. The perfect cube number which is near to 45 is 27. So 27 plus 18 will be 45. In the second step, we will find the cube root of 27. The cube root of 27 is 3 plus 18 divided by the square of the cube root of this number will be 3 square into 3. So it will be 3 plus 18 divided by 9 into 3, which will be 3 plus 2 divided by 3. When we divide 2 by 3, it becomes 0.6. So it is 3 plus 0.6. The cube root of 45 is 3.6. Let's find the cube root of this number 59. The perfect cube number near to 59 is 64. So 64 minus 5 will be 59. In the second step, we will find the cube root of this perfect cube number. So the cube root of 64 is 4 minus 5. In the third step, we will divide the number here by square of the cube root of this perfect cube number here. So square of 4 into 3. It will be 4 minus 5 divided by 16 into 3. So it will be 4 minus 5 divided by 48. So when we divide 5 by 48, it becomes 0.1. 4 minus 0.1. So the cube root of 59 is 4 minus 0.1, which is 3.9. Let's find the cube root of 66. The perfect cube number which is near to 66 is 64. So 64 plus 2 will be 66. In the second step, we will find the cube root of this perfect cube number. So cube root of 64 is 4 plus 2. In the third step, we will divide the number here by the square of the number here, that is the cube root of the perfect cube number. So the square of 4 into 3. It will be 4 plus 2 divided by 16 into 3. It will be 4 plus 1 divided by 24. When we divide 1 by 24, it becomes 0.04. So it is 4 plus 0.4. 0.04. So the cube root of 66 is 4.04. Now let's find the cube root of 89. The perfect cube number which is near to 89 is 64, and 64 plus 25 will be 89. In the second step, we will find the cube root of this perfect cube number which is 4. So 4 plus 25. In the third step, we will divide the number here by square of the cube root of the perfect cube number which is 4 into 3. It will be 4 plus 25 divided by 16 into 3, which will be 4 plus 25 divided by 48. When we divide 25 by 48, it will be 0.5. So cube root of 89 is 4 plus 0.5, which is 4.5. Now let's find the cube root of 150. The perfect cube number which is near to 150 is 125. 125 plus 25 will be 150. In the second step, we will find the cube root of this perfect cube number which is 5 plus 25 divided by the square of the cube root of the perfect cube number which is 5 square into 3. It will be 5 plus 25 divided by 25 into 3. So it is 5 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 0.3. So 5 plus 0.3 will be 5.3. Let's find the cube root of this number 222. The perfect cube number which is near to 222 is 216, and 216 plus 6 will be 222. In the second step, we will find the cube root of the perfect cube number here which is 6. So 6 plus 6 divided by square of the cube root of the perfect cube number which is 6 into 3. It will be 6 plus 6 divided by 36 into 3. It is 6 plus 1 divided by 18. When we divide 1 by 18, it becomes 0.05. So it is 6 plus 0.05. So the cube root of 222 is 6.05. Let's find the cube root of 576. The perfect cube number which is near to 576 is 512. So 512 plus 54 will be 576. In the second step, we will find the cube root of the perfect cube number here. So the cube root of 512 is 8 plus 54. In the third step, we will square the cube root of the perfect cube number here, which is 512. So 8 square into 3. It will be 8 plus 54 divided by 64 into 3. It will be 8 plus 9 divided by 32. When we divide 9 by 32, it becomes 0.28. So 8 plus 0.28. The cube root of 576 is 8 plus 0.28, which is 8.3. Let's find cube root of 800. The perfect cube number which is near to 800 is 1000. So 1000 minus 200 will be 800. The cube root of the perfect cube number here is 10. So 10 minus 200 divided by 10 square into 3. It will be 10 minus 200 divided by 100 into 3. So it is 10 minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is 0.66. So when we subtract 0.66 from 10, it will be 9.3. So the cube root of 800 is 9.3. Let's find the cube root of 1010. The perfect cube number near to 1010 is 1000. So 1000 plus 10 will be 1010. In the second step, we will find the cube root of the perfect cube number here, which is 10. So 10 plus 10 divided by square of the cube root of the perfect cube number here, which is 10. So 10 divided by 10 square into 3. It will be 10 plus 10 divided by 100 into 3, which will be 10 plus 1 divided by 30. When we divide 1 by 30, it becomes 0.03. So cube root of 1010 is 10.033. Hope you like our video. Thanks for watching.